Learning to the Nishmas Etta Ahuva bas Yaakov Masechas Avos Perek Gimel Mishna Beis. Reb Chanina Skana Kina Moimer Mispalo b'Shloimie Shamalchus Shalmoli Meira Ishes Re'eu Chayim Baler. A person should daven for the shalom of the kingdom of the government, because if not for them, then a person would swallow his friend. This is brought in the Gemara Avodah Zarah Daf Gimel and Beis Dalet and Aleph, that the pasuk over there in Chavakuk says Vatas Adam Kidgei Yom, that a person is like the fish. One of the pshatim in the Gemara why a person is similar to a fish is just like Dogim shebiyam kol agodol mechaver bolos chaver, that the bigger fish eat up the smaller fish. So too, if not for the government, people would destroy each other. The Meiri learns that therefore it's a chayiv adam, a person to be mechuyev, to be mispala b'shloimie shel malchus. And I saw in the Sefer say the Yaakov that he asked that l'chayr is not a chayiv, because first of all, if it was a chayiv, it wouldn't be a Mishna in Avos, it would have been a Mishna in Brachas. And second of all, it's not brought in Rambam, it's not brought in Shulchan Aruch. So, therefore, he holds that it's not a chiyuv. But l'maisa, this minig is brought down in the Magen Avram when it speaks about the part of davening of Yukum Porkin and the Mishaberach for the Tzarchei Tzibur. So then it does say that it brings down this minig of being mispal l'shloimie shamalchus. Speaks about the nusach, exactly what to say. Mishnah continues, Reb Chanina ben Tradyon, Omer Shnaim sheyoshmei b'neim divrei Torah, harei ze Moshev leitzim, shenever Moshev leitzim l'yashav. Two people are sitting and they're not learning Torah, so they are a Moshev leitzim. So this is the first pasuk in Tehillim, Kapitel Aleph, pasuk Aleph. Ashrei yesh asher liholach ba'atzah sham u'derech hatam lo'yamad. That means praise the person that's not a Rasha, he's not doing Averis, and also b'Moshev leitzim lo yashav. So Rabbi Yomi is medayik. We're not talking about the Rasha or the person that did Averis. Besides for that, he's also Moshev leitzim lo yashav. Even by not doing Averis, just he's kaveh atzmai to speak divrei havoi, divrei stam shusim with his friend. That's already considered Moshev leitzim. And the opposite is kim b'Torah Hashem cheftzei b'Torah yegam yem v'leil. A person should be oisik b'Torah, like the Mishnah Fear Zois have a shnayim sheyoshim v'yesh b'neim divrei Torah. Then the shechina b'neim shenemer oz nidbaru yirei Hashem isha reyeyu v'yakshiv Hashem v'yishma v'yichte b'sefer zechorin sufna ufana v'yirei Hashem v'lechosh v'shmoi. Ein el shnayim, I only know two. Minayin shafil echa v'yoshiv oisik b'Torah shekadosh baruch hu kavei l'skar shenemer yasher badad v'yiday Kinata Olav. Rabbi Yomi brings two pshatim. If Yidem means quiet, learning b'machshava, or if it means that he's learning out loud, he's learning to himself, he brings that from the Ramah. But the Marsha in Brachos and Davavam and Aleph, there's a Amora brings this memra, and it goes through the mile of 10, and the mile of 3, and the mile of 2, and the mile of 1 that are learning or being Isaac Bedin. And the Gemara over there does not bring this Mishnah in Pirkei Avos. The Marsha discusses why. Perek Gimel Mishnah Gimel Reb Shimon Omer Echa Shloisha Sha'acha Ashulchan Echa V'Layamer Divrei Torah Kilu Acha Mizivchei Mesim. Three people are sitting at one table and they're not saying over Divrei Torah. It's as if they're eating from Avodah Zarah. Shenemer Kichol Shulchanais. Tables are Molei Ki Tzoya. They're full of Tzoya, which is a lashon of Avodah Zarah. The Rav brings down B'li Mokim, if they're not mentioning Mokim, meaning HaKadosh Baruch Hu. So if they're not speaking in Divrei Torah, it's Ki'ilu Echu Meizivchei Mesim. Rashi on this Mishnah brings down V'rigilim B'nei Adam Liftar Atzma V'berchas Hamazon, that people are ruggle to pater themselves with this chiv of Divrei Torah by benching, by saying Berchas Hamazon. The Teisus Yantav is very myrich on this. And at the end he says, how could it be that you're Yaitse, you're Chiyav of Divrei Torah with that? He says, Vadei Reb Shimon lab b'hachi mari. That's not what Reb Shimon's talking about. The Otu b'Rashi askinin, she'em avarchim berachas hamazon, she mitzvahs hasei min ha-Torah. Mili the Avos is Mili the Chasidus. Like he brings the Gemara, Baba Kama says, Hai man the boil mahavi Chasidus, someone wants to be a chassid, he's Mekayim Mili the Avos. So, L'chayra, he's really going on the Rav, but the Rav's Mamash says it as like a din. But Birchas Hamazon from Avarchan al Shulchan Yoitzi Yidei Chavasai through benching. Lashon Rashi was Regilin. The Maisa it's brought in Shulchan Aruch in Kuf Ayin, Simon Kuf Ayin, Sif Aleph. The Magen Avram over there says that the Mechaber over there says that you're not allowed to speak while you're eating, So he says that dafka mamish b'shas you're eating, then you can't speak even with divrei Torah. But bein tavshel l'tavshel, it's a mitzvah on each person to learn Torah on his table. And the Mishabura brings from the Shalah that a person should learn a Mishnah or Halacha or Agada or Sifrei Musar, and you're not Yotze with benching. He says, Al Kapanim, a person should say a Mizmar. He says it's good to say the Mizmar of Hashem Royi Lo Yechsar, which is Divrei Torah and Tefillah on his food. The Mishnah fears is Havel Shloisha Sha'achal Al Shulchan Echav Amro Love Divrei Torah. And if you taka do that, is Ki'ilu Achal Mishulchan Isham Makam Baruch Hu Shenemar Haidaber Elai Zeh Shulchan Asher Lefnei Hashem. Which the Tiferes Yisrael explains that pasuk is talking about Ben Mizbeach, and yet it calls it a Shulchan to tell me that a Shulchan Lefnei Hashem is a Shulchan that you learn on it is Ki'ilu Makev B'Mizbeach.